Okay, we are on to quiz number 7, module 2.6, adverbs. There's 5 questions, so I'll go ahead and read each question aloud and each of the possible answers before giving you the correct answer. And I'll pause for a moment, but if you need more time, just go ahead and pause the video. All right, let's get started. Number 1, vero o falso, true or false? An adverb does not agree in gender or number with the verb, adjective, or other adverb it's describing. Choose only one best answer. A, vero, or B, falso. Okay, this one was true. Adverbs do not agree with the verb, adjective, or other adverbs they are describing, meaning their endings don't need to change accordingly. On the contrary, adjectives must agree with the noun they're describing. This is one way to tell them apart. In this sense, adverbs are easier to use correctly. Number 2, which is the correct way to form an adverb out of the adjective vero? Choose only one best answer. Okay, so A, veramente, B, veramente, C, veremente, D, verimente, or E, vermente. Okay, so the correct answer was B, veramente. To form a derivative adverb, the adjective must first be changed to the feminine singular form. In this case, vero becomes vera before adding mente to the ending. So it would become veramente. If the feminine singular adjective ends in an a, like in veloce, then mente is added after the a, becoming velocemente. If the feminine singular adjective ends in a le, like in speciale, or re, like in regolare, then you must remove the final e before adding mente to the end. So in this case, it would become specialmente and regolarmente. Number 3, which of the following is not an adverb? Choose all answers that apply. A, adesso, meaning right now. B, presto, meaning soon. C, fantastico, meaning fantastic. D, anche, meaning also or even. Or E, buono, meaning good. Okay, so in this case, C and E were the correct answers. Fantastico and buono are both adjectives. However, there are some words, such as molto, troppo, tutto, etc., that can be used as both adjectives and adverbs. If they're describing a noun, they change their endings to match the noun they're describing. If they describe anything else, they're an adverb and do not change form. For example, ho mangiato troppo would be an adverb because it's describing a verb, meaning I ate too much. Ho mangiato troppi dolci would be an adjective because it's describing the plural noun I dolci. I ate too many sweets. La casa è molto piccola would be an adverb because it's describing an adjective. The house is very small. And ci sono molta gente nella città would be an adjective because it's describing the singular noun la gente, meaning there are a lot of people in the city. Okay, number 4. Which of the following are types of adverbs? Choose all answers that apply. A, adverbs of manner, avverbi di maniera o modo. B, adverbs of time and frequency, avverbi di tempo e frequenza. C, adverbs of place, avverbi di luogo. Or D, adverbs of degree, avverbi di grado. Okay, in this case, they were all correct. All of these are types of adverbs. Remember, when adverbs modify or describe a verb, they can describe how, when, or where the action takes place. When adverbs modify an adjective or another adverb, they tell us to what degree. And number 5, all of the following are which type of adverb? Chiaramente, meaning clearly, felicemente, meaning happily, and lentamente, meaning slowly. Choose only one best answer. A, simple adverbs. B, compound adverbs. C, adverbial phrases. Or D, derivatives or derived adverbs. Okay, so chiaramente, felicemente, and lentamente are all considered to be derivatives. The 4 types of adverbs are as follows. Derivatives, or derived adverbs. These are adverbs that are derived from an adjective, using the feminine singular form, and then adding mente to the end. If the adjective ends in re or le, you drop the final e before adding mente. So, for example, chiara becomes chiaramente, meaning clearly. Simple adverbs. These adverbs are only one word and do not come from any other words. For example, già, forse, qui, and qua. Compound adverbs. These adverbs are formed by combining 2 or more words together to make a new word. For example, davvero, from da and vero, meaning for real or really, which are come from the combination of from and true. And adverbial phrases. These adverbs are small groups of words that have a new or precise meaning when used together as an adverb. For example, ogni tanto means every so often, which is formed from the words every and so much. All right, how did you do? So I will just go over each of these here, and you can read over the answers again if you'd like, or pause the video and read over them. And if not, you can just proceed to the next module or quiz. All right, great job.